Welcome students to class 3 maths chapter 5 division session 5.7. Today we will do word problems. This is simple integration of your maths and English. We will understand the question and we will write the same information first and then do the maths problem. I will explain with the help of one example and then we will do a worksheet. Example 1. 2496 nails are packed equally in 6 boxes. Find the number of nails in each box. To understand the question, we will read one line at a time. The first statement is 2496 nails are packed equally in 6 boxes. Now students, we have to analyze what information is given to us. They have given information about number of nails and number of boxes. So we will first write statements related to that. Total number of nails is equal to 2496. Then second part we will write about the boxes. Number of boxes is equal to 6. We will again refer back to the question, find the number of nails in each box. So we have to find the number of nails in each box. So you will write number of nails in each box, or you can also write number of nails in one box. Both are correct. Then to find the nails in one box, they have given in 6 boxes, we have 2496 nails. So in one box, we will have 2496 divided by 6. To divide, you will make the division symbol, write 2496 inside, 6 on the outside. Then we will take first 2 digits because 2 alone is smaller than 6. So we have to take the first 2 digits, 24. Then we'll see how many times does 24 come in the table of 6. It comes 4 times. 6 4s is 24, we write 4 on top, 24 at the bottom, we subtract, we are left with 0. So we bring down the next digit, 9. 6 will go one time in 9, we write 1 on top, 6 at the bottom, we subtract, we get 3, then we bring down 6. 36. 36 will go 6 times, 6 6 is 36, we write 6 on top, 36 at the bottom, we subtract, we are left with 0. So quotient is 416, remainder is 0. That means the answer is 416 nails. Now students, we are ready to do worksheet 5.7. And before we go further, do like the video. Your likes are a big source of motivation for me. Question 1. A man distributes 845 toffees amongst 5 children. How many toffees does each child get? Question 2. 176 bottles are to be placed equally in 8 trays. Find the number of bottles in each tray. Question 3. A poultry farm sold 1778 eggs in a week. How many eggs were sold on each day? Question 4. A man sold 1560 liters of milk in 10 days. How many liters of milk did he sell in a day? Question 5. 4400 boxes of apples are to be loaded equally in 6 trucks. Find the number of boxes loaded in each truck and the number of boxes left out. Students, please pause your video here. Go back, solve each question. Once you have finished solving all the questions, unpause and see the solutions. Question 1 was, a man distributes 845 toffees amongst 5 children. How many toffees does each child get? So here we will again read the first line. A man distributes 845 toffees. So first information given to us is number of toffees. We will write that only. Total number of toffees is equal to 845. Then if we read on the question, amongst 5 children. Next thing is number of children. So we will write number of children is equal to 5. Now, I hope you are finding these sums easy now. Just understand the information and rewrite whatever information is given. Now we will read the last statement in the question. How many toffees does each child get? So now we have to tell number of toffees each child is getting. So we will write number of toffees each child gets is equal to 845 divided by 5. We have divided it because 5 children in all are getting 845 toffees. To find out how many toffees one child will get, we will divide 845 by 5. We make the division symbol, put 845 inside and 5 on the outside. We take for the first digit 8. 5 will go one time in 8. We write 1 on top, 5 at the bottom, subtract. We are left with 3. Then we bring the next digit down, 4. We get 34. 5 will go 6 times in 34. 5 6 are 30. 6 on top, 30 at the bottom. We subtract. We are left with 4. We bring down the last digit 5. We get 45. 5 into 9 is 45. We write 9 on top, 45 at the bottom. We subtract. So quotient is 169, remainder is 0. Which means each child will get 169 toffees. So answer 169 toffees. Question 2 was 176 bottles are to be placed equally in 8 trays. Find the number of bottles in each tray. We'll read the question again and one sentence at a time. 176 bottles are to be placed equally in 8 trays. So information given to us in this line is total number of bottles is equal to 176 and the number of trays. So number of trays is equal to 8. Now again we get back to the question, find the number of bottles in each tray. So number of bottles in each tray is equal to 176 divided by 8. 8 trays have 176 bottles. One tray will have 176 divided by 8. When we divide, we get quotient is equal to 22, remainder 0. That means one tray will have 22 bottles. We'll write answer 22 bottles. Question 3. A poultry farm sold 1778 eggs in a week. How many eggs were sold each day? So first sentence tells us about number of eggs sold in 1 week. So we will write that information. Total number of eggs sold 1778. Number of days. In a week we have 7 days. So we will write number of days is equal to 7. Now we have to find out number of eggs sold on each day, or you could also write number of eggs sold in 1 day. So we will divide 1778 by 7 because in 7 days 1778 eggs are sold. To find out for 1 day, we will divide this 1778 by 7. When we divide, we get 254 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. So that means 254 eggs are sold each day. So answer is going to be 254 eggs. Question 4. A man sold 1560 liters of milk in 10 days. How many liters of milk did he sell in a day? We'll read the first line again. A man sold 1560 liters of milk in 10 days. So information given here is total milk sold is equal to 1560. Number of days is equal to 10. We refer to the question again. How many liters of milk did he sell in a day? So milk sold in a day is equal to 1560 divided by 10. In 10 days he was selling 1560. So in 1 day he will sell 1560 divided by 10. When we divide by 10, we just remove the units digit. That gives us our quotient, that is 156. And the digit at units place, which is 0, is our remainder. So remainder is 0. Therefore, 156 liters of milk is sold in 1 day. So we will write answer 156 liters. Question 5. 4400 boxes of apples are to be loaded equally in 6 trucks. Find the number of boxes loaded in each truck and the number of boxes left out. Let us read the first line again. 4400 boxes of apples to be loaded equally in 6 trucks. So here the information given to us is the total number of boxes and the number of trucks. So we will write total number of boxes to be loaded is equal to 4400. Then number of trucks is equal to 6. In 6 trucks they are loading 4400 boxes. Back to the question. Find the number of boxes loaded in each truck and the number of boxes left out. So we will write number of boxes in each truck is equal to 4400 divided by 6. When we divide this by 6, we get 733 as the quotient and 2 as the remainder. That means 733 boxes are loaded in one truck, and after loading all the 6 trucks, 2 boxes are left. So we will write answer 733 boxes and 2 boxes left. This brings us to the end of the worksheet. Dear students, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video for you. Until we meet again, stay happy and keep learning.